What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy TP3. I am now currently at the Chat facility. I just hooked up to my loaded trailer. I just want to give y'all a rundown of my day, detail by detail today. I just hooked up to my loaded trailer. I have pallets on the back. I'm going to Misionero Vegetable Distribution Center. I think that's how you say it. Let's translate this. This is what I be doing. I be translating stuff, certain words, because they be like, Misionero is simple, right? But sometimes my tongue, it don't roll off my tongue right. Pause. But let's see. Misionero, I was right. Go to the Misionero Vegetable Distribution Center. It's in Jessup, Maryland. But right now I'm loaded. I'm connected, but I'm not like, I don't have my lines and none of that on. I ain't checked nothing. I didn't pre-trip my trailer yet. I'm about to do that now, but I just wanted to give y'all a rundown of my day. And I think after I go to Misionero Vegetable Plant, I'm going to Sam's Club. I'm trying to go for 4 loads today, man. I wanted to wake up a little earlier today, but I don't know what happened, man. My alarm went off, I hit it. Caught myself praying. Well, I didn't catch myself praying. I was praying, and then when I was praying, I just realized I went back to sleep for another 20 minutes. So I'm up. I got up around about 6:30. Well, I left the house around like 6:30, 6:40. Of course, I was in traffic a little bit, but so right now I'm about to just go ahead, pre-trip my trailer, and once I get to Misionero Vegetable Plant. No, first, matter of fact, I gotta get some fuel because I'm at half right now. So I'm going to Jessup anyway, and I'm gonna go to the TA in Jessup and grab some fuel. So I'm gonna grab some fuel, and then I'm gonna head to Misionero, which is not far from the TA. All right, so I'm about to pre-trip this trailer. Y'all already know where I start off at. If this ain't right, the trailer ain't right. So y'all already know how I get down. I'm big on that. But the Misionero place I'm going to today, I've never been here before. But I know it's by a few distribution centers that I be going to. Cause I be going to Cisco sometimes. I haven't been to Cisco in a long time. But it's near Cisco. I rode past it a few times. Like, I definitely rode past it a few times. It looked kind of big. Yeah, the DC always looked kind of big when I rode past it. I trip planned it last night to see the situation I'm gonna be dealing with. It's cool. It's not that bad at all. So hopefully, I don't know how their service is. I don't know how long they take. Hopefully we in and out, because I gotta hit the Sterling. You know that Sterling, Virginia traffic be crazy, like every day. Like sometimes Monday is cool, but like I don't know. Today could be one of those days. So hopefully we good money. Hopefully this trailer cool. And y'all remember on one of my last videos when I went to the TA to buy a hammer and I brought a bunch of other stuff? I think I'm gonna get a hammer today, but this time I'm gonna really get a hammer, because last time I ain't get nothing but stuff that I didn't need for real. Well, I did need a GPS, but everything else I ain't really need. But when I go to the TA, I'm gonna get me a hammer. Hopefully I don't forget, because sometimes these trailer doors be hard to close too. So I need it. And I'm tired of using my hand, you know what I mean? So it's time to get my hammer back. So I'm all locked and loaded. My trailer cool, we look cool. So I'm on my way to the TA, get some fuel, and I'm headed to the drop. So I had to make a detour because the truck I have right now, it's in the shop. So I had to come to the terminal. I'm at the terminal right now. But yeah, like I said before, I give y'all a little tour of the terminal. I had a loaner truck for like 2 days now. A loaner truck, if you don't know, a loaner truck is a truck that the company give you while your truck is in the shop and getting fixed on. So I had this loaner truck for like 2 days now because I had some things I needed to, you know, just a yearly inspection, just making sure everything cool. And I had a few things that I needed to get fixed as well. So I put my truck in the shop, so they gave me a loaner. So my dispatch hit me up and told me my truck is ready. After I left the load that y'all just seen, I came to Jonestown, PA. If y'all know where Jonestown, PA is, it's in the boonies, but I'm in Jonestown, PA right now at the terminal, picking up my truck. It's ready. I'm about to go pick it up right now. But I just wanted to give y'all a tour of the terminal. You know, this is where the bobtails be at. Like, you know, if you come here and you just want to sleep, there's probably a lot of people sleeping here right now in their trucks, like resetting, you know, doing their reset right now. It could be a 32 reset, or they could be just doing their 10-hour reset, 11-hour reset, you know. And it could be a bunch of loaner trucks out here, meaning like I just told you that I had a loaner truck, meaning like there's trucks available for a new driver. These trailers right here are just like, I think some of these is like trailers that need to be fixed, and some of them are loaded. And you have a bunch of like intermodal trailers over there as well. So that's where the trailers be. And like I said, these the bobtails where you gotta come park at. And they actually have a sign up here to show you before you just come in here, because anybody can come to the terminal, as you know, as a Swift driver. But they got a sign up here. But over here is where if you don't want to unhook from your trailer, you can just park over this side. This side is trailer side, the trailer side. And this side right here, and the other side is the shop. This is the shop, and over here is where we can get fuel at. We can get fuel on at the terminals. But I'm heated that the car wash, the truck wash closed, bro. My truck dirty. Like, I never be getting the chance to clean my truck up, never. So I'm kind of hot that this is closed. And to be honest, this joint always closed. To be honest, I don't be liking it. But I'm gonna give y'all a tour of the terminal right now. Give y'all a little tour. It's a little area where you can barbecue and all that good stuff. It's the working parking lot, the workers, employees, the people that work here, like the dispatchers. They all park out here. And it might be no, it's not a class. It's not gonna be a class because the class is out here training. But it might be. They be having them in and out for real, to be honest. But this the entrance. It's crazy because I barely come here because I'm dedicated. So they never fix my that's the dispatch area. That's a dispatch area. And they're dropping people loads off right now, no homo. But yeah, they never fix my key card because I don't come here like that, which is crazy because that's Betty. Don't do me like that. Then I got a buzz every time I come in here, but be making me eat it. See, yeah, they got a class in here. I knew they did. But my boy Kai's in there. I'm gonna show y'all bathrooms, little kitchen area. These actually, this side up here, like back here, is really for the employees. But they got a gym in here also. But I can't really show y'all because I ain't got my key scanner. But that's the gym right there. Yeah, I don't know why they didn't give me my key card. They petty, which is crazy because they don't know when I'm gonna pull up here, you know what I mean? Just like right now, I wanna give y'all a tour of the whole area. So instead of me going this way, matter of fact, yeah, instead of me going this way, it's gonna be locked out, but I'm gonna check anyway, let me see. Cause this is the side where you gotta swipe a key card. Oh, and I can't get back in that way. Why did I do that? See, that's why I need my key card, bruh. They playing games. You know what I mean? See this side, you need your key card, bruh. I forgot about that. Oh no, we good money. Let's go. We good money, but in here, I'm gonna need somebody to let me in. Oh yeah. This nigga didn't even let me in, bruh. Come on, open the door for your boy. They bad. Alright, these are showers. You know what I mean? It's the bathroom. But it's way by the terminal, for real. It's way by the terminal, please. How you doing? These are dryers, washers. You want to wash your clothes. Then you got OGs in here. This is a snack right here.
Brand new truck. I am. Yeah, brake liner.
Big snacks in here.
But it's still on the morning.
You can stay your board's card, get snacks, bunch of drinks.
Well, I might put 150 on that truck and upgrade from that.
All that good stuff. Like I said, this the other side of the shop. See, shop entrance. And these are the fixed trucks for the most part. So now I'm about to head out, pushing my next load. I had to do a detour, which I don't care because I'm still getting miles for this. They still got to pay me for my miles for this, so I really don't care. And I didn't have a trailer. I bobtailed down here, so pretty good money. But I think I might take a trailer back. I don't know yet. Once I get back to my truck, I'm gonna see what's up with my dispatch and see what's my next load. Like I said, I get paid for these miles because it's a swap. It's like a part of the company. It's part of work, for real. So they gotta pay me. And it's crazy because I gotta walk all the way around because I don't have a key fob. Crazy. They just need to give me a key fob, bro. I should get one made before I leave, to be honest. But I just don't feel like walking back upstairs to do it. I'm about to be out, get back in my truck, and once I head back for my next load, I'm gonna let y'all know what's popping, for sure. So I'm all hooked up and ready to go. My dispatch hit me and said I'm going back to Perryville to the Lidl. Like I said, I'm a dedicated position. So it'll be times I'm gonna go to the same spots all the time, you know what I mean? So just wanna let y'all know what I'm doing. But I got a quick story time. Hold that thought. Oh yeah, I got a quick story time. So as y'all know, I'm at the terminal at Swift. I was getting my truck, like I said. So I went upstairs to the trainee guy, like the guy that do all the orientations, because I know him and I'm cool with him. I went up there to chop it up with him, see how he was doing, seeing how everything's going, how the fam doing, you know. He was asking me how the road was going, you know what I mean? Just, you know, stuff you do when you chop it up with somebody. So, but as I'm going in there and as I was finishing talking to him, it was a guy that's in the class, because of course they're doing orientation right now, because he the teacher of the orientation. That's why I went in there and talked to him. But he had a class in there, but they were just doing some personal stuff on their own. He wasn't really teaching nothing. But as I was finished talking to him, there was a guy in there that said, "Yo, I follow you on YouTube. Like, I subscribed to you, yo, bro. Like, before I started this, so I was looking at all your videos." I'm like, "Yo, that's dope." You know what I mean? Like, I thought that was super dope. You know what I mean? For me to just start back vlogging and all the love I've been getting, I appreciate that shit, bro. Like, that means a lot to me. You know what I mean? So, and it was like kind of random. You know, when it happened random, it's like, that's when you know it's all love and it's all genuine. You know what I mean? So I was just telling him, salute to him, man. I was chopping it up with him, asking him, is he a new trainee? Is he a new driver? He was like, yeah, he just got his CDLs 3 weeks ago. Bro, salute to you, because I know you're gonna watch this video because you're a supporter and I appreciate that. So I just want to tell you, bro, salute to you, bro, your journey, bro. Just know that first year is gonna go by fast. Don't worry about what nobody said about your company or what you doing. It makes sense to you. Like I always tell y'all, man, if it makes sense to you, man, that's all that matters. You know what I mean? Everybody's situation and circumstances is different, you know? So salute to him. I'm glad I ran into you. That was like kind of dope because I wasn't expecting that. You know what I mean? You know when somebody come up to you and you like, yo, huh? How you know me? It was one of those moments. But I'm like, dang, I am back on YouTube. You know what I mean? And I do get a lot of support on here, so I gotta remember that. You know what I mean? I was kind of like, yo, why this dude? You know what I mean? But bro, salute to you, bro. Like I said, salute to you and your journey. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, I just wanted to say that because I feel like that's dope. You know what I mean? When you run into people that watch you, I feel like that's dope. You know what I mean? So I had to say that. Story time, quick story time. But I'm hooked to this trailer right here. For show. Hooked to this trailer. I already pre-tripped it. But I'm gonna pre-trip it again for y'all because y'all know already know. Y'all with me on this journey, so I'm gonna do everything. We gonna do it together. But I already did it, but I'm gonna redo it again just for y'all too. You know what I mean? I know my truck dirty as fuck, but I'm still in the yard. These are all the trailers and stuff at. You know what I mean? Some people in our truck sleep. They probably just hear it park until they about to reset their 10 hours. But you see it. 724, everything is, all the lines and everything is good. Tires is good. It's a good trailer, so I'm about to head to Perryville. And at the Perryville, since I already came all the way out here, I did one load, came all the way out here, and then I'm going back to Perryville. That's a lot of load. That's a lot of miles right here for me in one day, especially on the dedicated position. So probably after this load, I might be done. I don't know. We gonna see. But once I get to Perryville, I'm gonna get back with y'all.